So today at Gravity Mining Limited, we're going to show you how to take a feed density and a timed sample. So we have a stopwatch. I'll turn this off for a minute. We have our feed mixing at what we think is the right feed density. For this is a tin tailings sample. We're going to use a feed dry solids density of 2.7, and we've set the peristaltic pump at approximately where we think the feed's going to be. So what we do is, it's fairly simple. We take a measuring jug, we take a timed sample, usually around about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and then we weigh the wet sample, and then we take the volume of the wet sample, we type it into our MGS slurry density calculator, pump in the numbers. As you can see there, we have the slurry mass, the slurry volume, and the time of the sample. Water density is 1, obviously. Solids density is 2.7. This calculates from the spreadsheet. We get a feeds percent solids of 29.8. We're running very low on solids density on this one, purely because we've got very little sample. We've got less than 10 kilograms, and we're trying to run an MGS test on it. So we actually need it to be, we need volume in order to make it, so we got a bit of length to our test. We're actually running at a feed rate of around about 40 kilograms per hour dry feeds here, dry solids. Once again, reducing our time, so we get a bit of run time, so we could actually take a sample. Because it's tin, we more or less know where the settings are going to be, and we'll just run with those and take one sample, one test, and that'll be that. So hope that made sense. If you want, just send us an email at treve@gravitymining.com, and I'll send you a copy of the slurry density calculator. Or we actually have a mobile phone app with it on as well. It's not ours, we borrowed it from somebody else. Gauss Tech, they've got a mobile phone app for exactly the same thing. Very handy and worth having. There we are, very simple and very accurate. Cheers.